Hello everyone, this is Derbe. In this video, we will see how to export and download data from KoboToolbox, particularly into SPSS, along with the labels and values of variables. I mainly focus on the illustration part. For this illustration purpose, we use the project burnout study. Of course, the data collection process is in progress. So I will show you how to export and download the SPSS data, okay, the data in SPSS format from the KoboToolbox. So let me open this one. Then here you find summary, form, data and settings. Now our interest is the data, to download the data. So we click this one, data, and then here, as you can see so far, there are about 71 submissions. Then we go to downloads. Let us start by downloading the Excel file. Then you get Excels in the first order from these options. Just under the box, select export type. So we require two types of data, Excel and SPSS data form. Here we select XLS, the Excel type, and then XML values and headers option is selected. So it's selected, and then we click here export. Here is processing, then now it's ready to download. So we click download. We click download, and you have to know where to save it. Then click here download. Then let me save it in the folder which I can easily locate it. So let me save it here. Okay, so you have to know this is Excel format, then save. The other required file is SPSS, so you click SPSS files here, and then make sure that XML values and headers option is selected. Then click export, then it's processing, then we save it, download. Then in the same folder, then save. That's it. So the first step is to download two files in Excel and SPSS file in the format of XML values and headers. Then now we go to our folder where we save the two files. This is the place. The SPSS file by default is saved in a zip file, so we need to unzip it. Unzip this one. Using WinRAR, then extract here. So by selecting the default language, which is English, and then we open the SPSS file, which is in syntax window, the default one. Then we open it. When you open, you get two windows of SPSS. The first window is the editor window, and the second window is syntax window. So two windows of SPSS will open. Yeah. So for time being, we need the editor window. Let me minimize this one. We just run in order to automatically transfer the labels and values into a spaces data set. So let me minimize the syntax window. And the second window is the editor window of spaces. Then we need to uh, import. We need to import the data of Excel into SPSS format. So in order to import, we just go to File command of the SPSS data editor window, click File, and then import the data. The data that we want to import is the Excel data, which we have exported from the KoboToolbox. Then you click import the data, and then you select Excel. Okay, you have even options of importing CSV data from KoboToolbox. But in our case, we have exported the Excel, so we need to select this one, Excel. Then we need to select just from where we have saved. Just from it is here. This is my file, the Excel file, the Excel data set that I have downloaded from KoboToolbox. So I have to select it and then click open. Click open. Then new dialog box will open. In this new dialog box, we need to make sure to select all boxes here. So select all these boxes and then click OK. When you click OK, then the data set from Excel will be imported into the SPSS data set. Here, you know, as you know, the data in the data editor window of SPSS, we can get the data view and variable view. When you look at the variable view here, you see the level and the values of almost all variables are empty. Then the next task will be to import all level and values of the variables, just using the syntax window. So here you open the syntax window of SPSS. Here we click, and then by using the shortcut Control and A, we click it, run selection. Just you click it, then automatically all values and label should be imported into our data set. Here previously, all were empty, but now the values and the labels are properly imported. And that is it. Then we undertake data cleaning, and we have to check, of course, whether the values and labels are properly imported. And then we further go to the analysis part. Thank you.